What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. If you're not doing so already, be sure to go and check us out on Instagram at Car Trader Diaries. I'll leave a link in the description below. As you saw from the earlier clip just then, we bought a new project for the channel. It is a Bmw 120D MSport. It's a 60 plate. It's a 2011. Now I bought it from Copart. It was a non-runner. Now my thought process was that it's possibly a timing chain that snapped, because it's very common for these cars to suffer with a snap timing chain. So I took a punt on it. Now I pride myself in being very transparent and very open on this channel. I know a lot of people sort of make out that you can make a lot more money than you actually can, which you can make good money doing these cars, but from time to time, you know, if you don't get your judgment right, you can be left with a lemon. And I think at this moment in time of filming this, I think I'm left with a bit of a lemon. Right, so before we do anything else, we are going to have a quick walk around the car. I need to get that battery put on, and then we can try and turn it over and see what happens. But I'll just give you guys a quick walk around just to show you what we're dealing with. Going back to the bodywork, it's a lot worse than I initially thought. And also inside the car is a lot worse. So yeah, there's a lot to do other than worry about the engine as well. So we'll see how we get on, but I'll show you guys. I also got these new plates made up, pretty cool. Well happy with them. Right, so this is the car. It's Bmw 120D MSport. It's got these 17-inch alloys on, a bit scuffed, does need a good clean. There's some damage down the side here, which I didn't see, so we need to look into getting that sorted out. If we can get the car started. I mean, it all depends on if we can start it or not. Come around the back here, this bumper, number plate's well happy with that. See there as well, it's all cracked and just the whole bumper needs respraying. It's come away there as well. Come around, so look here. All the tyres seem alright. There's a little bit of it's coming out a little bit there. The mirror crack there. We've got, I did see that in the pictures, that's the only bit of damage I did see in the pictures. That should bend out. We heat that up, that should pop back out, but see all the paint's cracked there. So I've got to show you guys in the car what we're dealing with inside. Now, as you can look at the seats, absolute mess there as well. All the leather's cracked, and there. Oh, it's never a good sign when the engine cover's in the back as well. So, and the steering wheel as well, seen better days. So I mean, whoever's had this car hasn't looked after it. I've run it into the ground, and the oil was low as well. There was virtually no oil in it, so it's not really looking too. Not really looking in my favour, put it that way. But we're going to put the battery on, then we're going to try and crank it over. Hopefully it starts. If it don't start, I'm going to plug the OBD reader in and see what codes it throws back. So yeah, see how we get on anyway. So I'm going to change this battery over and then we'll give it a turn. We'll turn the key. Right, so the battery's now on. We've changed the battery over, so we're just going to see what happens. Right, so as you can see, we've got a fault code P046C. It's something to do with the EGR. It's the exhaust gas recirculation sensor A circuit range. So it could be a short in the wiring, could be a faulty EGR valve. But I've done a bit of reading up, and this wouldn't stop the car from starting up. So I cleared the fault code. It did come back shortly after. Right, so just giving it a bit of a clean up. Actually comes out alright, to be fair. There are a few marks on the car. There's a little mark there, just worried about that. Scuffing on there. This here, obviously didn't see that in the ad. It was pretty dirty. That's the problem. Again, look at the marks. The paint cracked. Looks like it's previously been filled. Wheels are all scuffed. A few little scratches along there. I don't know if you can pick the camera pick that up actually. There as well. All the wheels are scuffed. Mark on there. That will pop out. I'm going to pop that out. It's actually a nice car, other than that. Yeah, now, I'm just going to show you guys something. I've come to a decision what I'm going to do with this car. So I'll just show you. That noise is not good news. That is no combustion. It's I think it's just a starter motor just turning it over. That code that came up earlier, something to do with the EGR valve not registering a signal. But I've had I'm pretty certain that it's the timing chain snapped on it. It's completely dead. Gutted really. Didn't expect there to be so much damage to the car. I knew about the dent on the front bumper. Didn't know about the seats. I mean, you know, whoever's had this car hasn't looked after it at all. You know, it's very well worn. There, and look at that. Look, it's just heartbreaking, really. Again, this seat there. Look at that. Now I've made a decision. I'm not going to carry on with this car. It's the end of the road already for this car. I'm gutted because I thought it'd be a good project to change the engine, but I just can't justify the money that I paid for the car to change the engine and to do everything else, the bodywork. That's the killer, is the bodywork. The new interior I'm going to need. It is a lot of work, and I'm obviously trying to do this to make a bit of money, make a profit on the channel. I'm just going to lose money on this. So I'd rather lose money and put my attention into other projects I've got coming, and just take it as a lesson, just learn from it. Not be so quick into buying the first thing you see. You know, it happens. Prime example, it's not gone to plan. It's my own fault. You know, lesson learned. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back through the auction. I'm going to put a reserve on it for what I've paid for it, and just see what happens, really. That's sort of all I'm going to do. Right, so fast forward a couple of hours. There's just something itching away at me to keep trying to get this started. I've spent a few more hours since that last recording. When I turn it on, when I put the key in, you don't hear the fuel pump prime. So that's just bugging at me. To be honest, what I'm going to do, I think, just for peace of mind, I'm probably just going to get a mechanic to come and have a look at it. Just give me his professional, give me his input, and just sort of take it from there. But yeah, it's a bit of a weird one. Also pulled this out slightly. It's still a little dent there, but it's looking a lot better. So that's going to be it for today's video. I'll let you know in the next video how I get on with, like I said, getting a mobile mechanic here to take a look. I'll let you guys know how I got on there, but that's all for today's video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, do consider to subscribe to the channel. Guys, I'll catch you very soon in the next one. Peace.